Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Class 10 CBSE Maths. In previous videos, we saw some lessons and their exercise NCERT questions. We studied on only NCERT questions. Now, coming video, it is extra questions are there according to the question paper pattern. So if you are solving more extra questions, you can score more and even out of marks also. Many varieties or different questions we are studying according to the question paper pattern. First, we should know the question paper pattern. In your question paper, total 38 questions are there. All questions are compulsory, where some choices are there. In your whole question paper, some choice are there, but how that choice is coming, that I will tell according to that question is coming. But overall, there is a no options. All questions are compulsory. Very few are options. That some questions are coming. When that number is coming, there I'll explain. So here now there are 5 sections are there: A, B, C, D and E. In section A, total 20 questions are there, but see 1 to 18 MCQs are there. In section AC, in section total questions are 20, but first 1 to 18 MCQ means multiple choice questions. There is some 4 options are given. You have to choose one correct options. Roughly you can solve and one correct answers you can write. And in that section, A section, only question number 19 and 20, assertions and reasons based on the questions of 1 mark. Here also 1 mark is there, but assertions and reasons we have to give. Now here coming videos, what I am doing here, section A. Some videos are there, total all MCQs are there, many more questions are there that you have to study. Before that, you have to study the NCERT questions. So for NCERT questions, you have to watch the previous video. Link is given below. First you have to watch, clear your concept and then solve these coming videos. Then there is a total 20 questions in section A, 1 mark each, so total 20 marks for section A, 20 marks. If you are solving more questions, many varieties are there, easily you can score this here in this section 20 marks. Now section B, there is a question number 21 to 25. So these questions are very short answer questions. So means VSA, very short answer type questions. Total questions are 5. 21 to 25 means total questions 5. 2 marks each. Total 5 questions. 5 into 2 means 10 marks. Section B is 10 marks. Then section C, question number 26 to 31. There is a short answer type questions. Total questions are 6. So 3 marks each. Then question 6, total 3 marks each. So 6 into 3, 18 marks. Section C is 18 marks. So coming videos are also coming on section C, 3 marker. Here also 2 marker. Some videos will come 2 marker questions, extra questions. Then section C, 3 marker questions, extra questions. Now section D, question number 30 to 35 are long answer type questions carrying 5 marks each. Total questions are 4. 32 to 35, total questions 4. So total question 4 into 5 marks, 5 marks each. So 20 marks means section D will become 20 marks. Then section E, question number 36 to 38. Here case study based questions carrying 4 marks each with sub parts of these values. Question number, there is a 4 questions are there. First 2 questions 1 marks and 2 marks each. Means here, see, try to understand, each question is carrying 4 marks. 3 questions are there. 3 questions are there. Here 2 questions are there. See, 2 questions means 1 mark each, means 2 marks become. And third question is 2 marks, means this total become 4. 4 marks become, means each question is 4 marks. So total here 3 questions are there. 3 into 4, 12 marks. Now here, see, again I am giving a section wise marks. So section A 20 marks, that already I told. Section B 10 marks. Section C 18 marks. D 20 marks. E 12 marks. How it is coming, that also I told according to question wise. So total 80 marks are there. So how option is coming there? See, there are no overall choice, means all questions are compulsory, no choice, but some internal choice is there in question number 2. That question number 2 means in section B. In section B, 2 markers are there. There is a choice in question 2. It is not number. It is not number of that question number, but in section 2, there is a, we studied how many questions are there. See here, we studied the total 5 questions are there. So in that 5 questions, in 2 questions there is a choice is there, means or is given. There is a, suppose 5 questions in given, out of that 5, in 2 questions there is a choice is there, or means there only you can choose the choice. So then in section C, there is also in 2 questions means any 2 questions are there. No, in C section, whatever questions are there, in that any 2 questions there is a option is there. Same way in D also, in 2 questions there is a choices is there. And then see, 2 marks question of section E, again choice. Suppose here section E is there, here last section I told you, no, here see 1 mark is there, and 2, where 2 mark a question is there, there is a choice is there. See, question is there, so, in section E, suppose question is there, in that question sub questions are there. First question is 1 mark, second mark question is also 1 mark, and there is a, in third A question is there, it is a 2 marker question, there is a or and B, means you have to take the choice only A and B. Means here question number, sub question first is compulsory, second is also compulsory, you have to choice only A and B. You can either solve A or B, that is the question third, means total become this 1 mark, 1 mark, or any one means 2 marks, it's become a 4 mark in each question. So like this option is there. Other remaining questions you have to solve, 38 questions you have to solve. So already I told coming videos are coming, the extra questions, solve properly and study well and do more practice for maths. Next video, some important concepts and formulae. So please share and subscribe this video.